Hey, we're here today to talk about Toolex's QuickChange jaw system for single station vices. And the way this works, first off, you take off your hard jaws from your single station vise. And then you will attach the QuickChange master jaw, which actually has a dovetail in it, with two little locating pins here to help push the parallel down against the bed of the vise. And those go on, take the place of the hard jaw. You put them on both sides. These are coming they're available for the 4-inch, the 6-inch, and the 8-inch single station vices. Go ahead and tighten your screws on your jaws. And with that now, we have parallels, different heights. They come in sets, and we also have machinable parallels. They come with the corresponding dovetail gib on them. And all you do is put that from the side. You slide it in. And then there's a screw on the top that locks them into place. Now I can take out my parallel. If I want to use machinable parallels, that's where this one comes into play. It's aluminum or steel, and they come in different thicknesses, and you can machine your pocket into the machinable parallel. And they go in the exact same way. Lock it down, and that is our QuickChange system. To learn more about QuickChange parallel system, go to www.tico.com or call us at 855-567-0141.